Okay, see that thing. This is the most venomous and coolest. I think it's not venomous. It's just so cool. It just looks like the sun. But it's already night. Okay, Tagalog talaga kami. It's so literally so cool. Then look at that. Someone is recording. Someone is recording. Now it's small again. Pause it. This is the most coolest thing you bought. Now we're crawling down. That is so cool. Now screen it. Don't walk. See that? It's so cool. Okay, I would want to say in Moon. Hi Moon. Huwag ka na nga mag-bad word dyan. Hi Moon. You're the cutest Moon. Ah! Okay, bye. It's the end. See you on the next blood moon.